Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the update on YFI token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of YFI token was dropped down inside a very high key demand zone. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that it is still moving at this key demand zone and likely to bounce from this key demand zone. Previously, we had a nice bounce here in the first week of Feb 2024. Then the price and again dropped down, and now it is again bouncing from this key demand zone. By the way, this demand zone starts from $4,800 and goes to approximately up to $4,000. Previously, when the price and was dropped down here inside this demand zone, we had a very nice pump here, and we had another very nice reversal here, here, and here. This was another very nice reversal, and the price and rallied up to approximately $16,000. And recently, when we broke out this wedge, while moving inside this wedge, when the price was moving to the downside, we again visited this key demand zone. And after that, the price bounced very well and broke out the wedge and rallied approximately up to $14,774. And now it is again dropped down in the same key demand zone. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is very extremely oversold. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared a few days ago on 12th of March 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for YFI that I shared a few days ago on 12th of March 2025. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that YFI token completed on a daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And after the completion of the final leg, it was slightly moved up. And by the way, this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that once again, after some price correction, the price and drop down inside this buying zone. And then we had a very nice reversal in the price and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has pumped almost 12%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of YFI, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that YFI token is breaking out different bullish bias pattern one after another. First, it broke out this big and long-term down channel, and at the same time, it also broke out this smaller down channel as well. Then we had a nice pump, and it broke out this falling wedge pattern. Then we had another very nice pump, and broke out recently another falling wedge pattern. And the target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge at $11,240. And by the way, over there, we already had a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here. And this time for a while, the price broke out this resistance, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. This was previously breaking as a resistance on here, and again worked as a strong resistance. And now the price is dropped down in at this key demand zone that starts from $4,800 and goes to $4,000. That was previously working as a key demand zone here and here and here, and again worked as a very nice key demand zone here. Therefore, now again there is a probability that we may see another bounce or rally to the upside after visiting this key demand zone. And at the same time, you can say that stochastic is completely and extremely oversold. Therefore, there is a probability, a very high probability that we may see a price correction to the upside. And if the price starts another reversal, then first it can also hit this resistance of $11,240. That is also acting as a resistance of this horizontal channel as well. And if the price breaks out this horizontal channel, then technical target with the breakout from this channel will be here, approximately at $26,000. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.